Hello everyone, Namaskara. Welcome to Vedanta's Sattvic Stories. Today we'll learn how to make a very popular dish from Karnataka, Mysore Bonda. Add 2 cups of maida. Add 1 cup rice flour, 1 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon sugar, 1/4 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 6 to 7 green chilies, 20 to 25 curry leaves, a handful of coriander, an inch of ginger, 1 cup of curd, one-fourth cup of water. Mix all ingredients in the bowl till paste consistency is as shown in the video. Keep the mixture aside for half an hour. Let's prepare the chutney. Take a glass bowl and add half coconut or cut into small pieces. Add 4 green chilies, half-inch ginger, a small piece of tamarind, handful pudina leaves, handful coriander leaves, half teaspoon salt, a bit of water. Grind the mixture to prepare the chutney. Transfer the ground chutney into a separate glass bowl. Heat a small kadai and add 1.5 tablespoons oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of hing, 6 to 7 curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies. Fry all the ingredients for a minute. Pour the tadka into the chutney kept in the bowl. Take a big kadai and pour sufficient oil for deep frying. Heat the kadai on a high flame for a few minutes. Apply slight water on your hand. Create round portions of bonda batter as shown in the video and add them into the kadai. Let the bonda portions fry for 3 to 4 minutes till they are golden brown in color. Take fried bondas out of the kadai. We can make Mysore Bondas healthier by using healthier oils like olive oil and avocado oil. We can also air fry the bondas instead of deep frying them. Hot Mysore Bondas are ready to be served. Serve the bondas with green chutney prepared earlier. You may also serve them with sambar. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. For more such Sattvic recipe videos, subscribe to our channel. To stay updated, press the bell icon.